Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle, a binary puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, January the 12th, 2022. We have here in this additional six extra puzzles: letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, the 3-star Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star, and the binary puzzles. And those puzzles I'm not interested. All those puzzles I have a PDF file. So go below and find the PDF file that you like to solve. But first, the second puzzle we will solve is a binary puzzle number 3970. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Okay. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Yeah. Let me see. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Alright. 1, 2, between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Oh, 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, and now. Let me think. Do we need to compare? Yeah, double O, here 1, there 1. 3 ones we have here. If I place, oh no. 3 ones. Let me see. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Well. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Interesting. Yeah, we need to compare this column and that column. Okay, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, oh. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Then Interesting. Yeah. We need to compare again this row and that row. Oh, oh, one, empty box, oh, one. We need to switch these two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones, double one, here no, there no. Then between two ones comes a no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And the last two columns, or the last two rows, let me see. Will be difficult. Let me see. 101. I think we need to compare the columns. Almost the same. This one. 101. Oh, this one is almost the same. Well. 101. So 101. Well, this row and that row. 1 empty box. We need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finished in 7 minutes. Oh, right. A lot of comparing, but I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle. 8 tectonic with 4 stars, and I think this one will be a hard one. Not a lot of printed digits, so we will see. See you later. Bye bye for now.